Welcome to Waterfront Academy YouTube channel, where Montessori learning meets everyday living. In today's video, viewers will learn how to create a simple, effective Montessori language activity. Beginning letter sounds baskets. In the Montessori approach, language is introduced through real, hands-on experiences. Before children begin writing or reading, they are encouraged to explore the sounds of language through activities like this one. Beginning letter sound. Baskets are small collections of objects that all start with the same initial sound. These baskets help children isolate and identify beginning sounds, which is an essential step in developing phonemic awareness and early reading skills. To create a beginning letter sounds basket at home or in the classroom, just a few materials are needed. A child-sized basket or tray, a collection of small real-world objects, a label or a Montessori sandpaper letter to represent the target sound. It's best to begin with sounds that are easy to pronounce and hear clearly, like B for the letter B or M for the letter M. Let's take a look at a basket for the beginning sound B. For this activity, the educator has gathered 5 small objects: a ball, a banana, a bear, a button, and a bell. Each of these items starts with the sound B. They are phonetic, familiar, and easily identifiable by young children. When it's time to present the basket, the adult sits with the child in a quiet, focused environment. Each object is named clearly, with an emphasis on the beginning sound. For example, the adult might say, "This is a ball, ball." Then, the child is invited to repeat the sound and explore the basket. This process allows the child to discover sounds naturally and build sound symbol relationships at their own pace. As the child grows in confidence, more baskets can be introduced, one sound at a time. These can be displayed on a low shelf for independent exploration. There are also several ways to extend the activity. Add printed labels for early reading practice. Play sound-matching games with mystery objects. Or invite the child to sort objects into groups by beginning sound. Beginning letter sounds baskets are a foundational part of the Montessori language curriculum. They foster early literacy skills, build vocabulary, and support independent learning, all through joyful, hands-on discovery. For more Montessori-inspired ideas, be sure to subscribe to the channel and share this video with other educators and families. Thanks for watching.